welcome to my YouTube channel. Yesterday in the previous video I have explained what are intrinsic semiconductors and what are extrinsic semiconductors. Today I am going to tell about electrical conductivity. Conductivity means the flow of electrons in the material. So that is called electrical conductivity. So today I am going to explain what is the formula for electrical conductivity. So here the current density due to charge flow of electrons J equals to NeV. So here V is nothing but V suffix D, drift velocity. So the current density J equals to Ne, since mobility mu equals to drift velocity per unit electric field. So that Vd equals to mu into capital E. Then you can substitute Vd in this equation. So Ne into mu capital E. So the current density due to electrons, J of electrons equals to Ne mu n into capital E. Ne mu n into capital E. So J of holes, P E mu P into capital E. Therefore, the total current density J equals to Jn, means current density due to electrons plus current density due to holes. That's equals to Ne mu n into capital E plus Pe mu P into capital E. Here in intrinsic semiconductors, number of electrons equals to number of holes. N equals to P equals to Ni. So that's equals to Ni E mu n into capital E plus Ni E mu P into capital E. That's equals to Ni E of mu n plus mu P into capital E. So this is equation 4. Therefore, J equals to, when we are comparing with sigma E, where sigma conductivity equals to Ni of mu n plus mu P. So here intrinsic carrier concentration Ni, where Ni equals to Nc Nv whole power 1 by 2 e power minus Ec by 2 kT. Already we have derived in the previous equation. Ni means intrinsic carrier concentration. Then you can substitute here Nc, conduction band, number of electrons in the conduction band and number of electrons in the valence band. So sigma equals to Nc Nv whole power 1 by 2 e power minus Ec by 2 kT E into mu n plus mu P. So this is the formula for